Hi there, it's Jeff. Have you got a cast iron top cabinet saw and you get that rusty surface on the top? Well, stick around, I'll show you my method for cleaning this up and maintaining it. Okay, let's get into it. Now we're going to clean this cast iron top. It's just one of those things that needs to be done every now and then. You do get a build-up of surface rust or that dusty sort of rusty feeling or coating on top. And it's normal. It happens with every cast iron top. It's just going to depend on whereabouts you live in your country, whether you're near the sea or you get snow or ice or a lot of rain as well. The humidity can just do that to the top of it a lot quicker, or depending on where you live. So what I do is I like to keep on top of it and keep it clean and smooth and give it a protective coating, so it doesn't rub onto your boards and damage or get that sort of a rusty sort of a look on your boards when you're rubbing it on there. So first we're going to mask up the areas around the cast iron top, and then I'm going to show you what products and how the method that I use to clean this up. So let's get into it. Okay, to start off with, you're going to need some sort of light abrasive for the surface. I tend to use this really fine steel wool, mainly because it's just really easy to work with. You can peel off as much as you want. You probably could use a real light scouring pad as well to do this, but this is a real fine steel wool that I use. And I use a metal polish. It's used for metal to polish like aluminium wheels and things like that, but it's okay to use on the cast iron and metal surfaces. It's just a paste, really easy to use. I put some rubber gloves on, put a little bit of paste on the steel wool and rub up and down, and I usually go with the grain of the metal, which runs that way, and I just do it in sections, and then we're going to buff it off. So let's get into it. Okay, that's step one of my procedure. Cleaning this with the steel wool just gets that surface rust off, leaves it fairly smooth, nice and smooth. That's what you want. The next thing you need to do is to spray it with some sort of a rust corrosion formula. I use silicone spray. You can use it's made by WD-40, but you can use a WD lubricant as well. It's just to give it that film and to protect it a little bit more. So I just spray this on and just wipe it on with a rag. I also do the side wings as well, and the outfeed table with this stuff, just so the material glides a lot better on it and runs smoothly on it as well. Well, there you go, another job done. That should keep me going for another 3 to 6 months, nice and smooth and clean. What I normally do also is just cover it with a towel or a cloth or something over the cast iron when I'm not using it as well. But yeah, look, a couple of little simple products here that you can use to clean it. A little bit of elbow grease, keep that maintenance up on the cast iron top, and keep it nice and smooth and silky. That way your boards will run really nice and clean and tidy on it, and you won't get that build up as well. Well, I hope you've liked this video. If you did, press like and also subscribe, and look out for my other videos that I'm going to do on the cabinet saw as well. I'm going to do one on the blades next as well that I use. So see you in our next video.